So I was just gifted this heavy duty storage rack for the garage. This is a great shop storage or basement storage or any place in the house. The measurements on this are 78 inches tall, so it is very high, 60 inches long and 24 inches deep. The shelving here has all these little tabs here where you can adjust your shelves, which is amazing. I was able to measure perfectly for my storage totes and then my larger items up top. It's very adjustable in all these increments. Overall, the way they built this, it's very sturdy and heavy duty. It's rated for 3,300 pounds total and 660 pounds per shelf. So that's a lot of weight, especially here in the workshop. We're gonna put a lot of tools on this. And putting it together only took about 15 minutes. It really interlocks really quickly. There's not a ton of parts and it's very stable. So let's get this thing loaded up and see what it looks like with a bunch of stuff on it. All right, so we got a lot of our stuff on the shelves. I was able to clean off 2 plastic shelving that we're gonna get rid of and put it on here on this metal shelf and still have plenty of room. There's a ton of weight on this right now, and I think this is going to be a great addition for the shop, and I think I might actually get another one. So definitely worth checking these out.